Man, oh man, guys, I have been waiting for this day for the longest of time. But welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing new exhaust on the Shelby GT500. Now before we get into today's video, I just want to say one thing. The past 5 days have been really long for me. I had a double shift for the past 5 days, and the only thing I could think about was finally going ahead and doing some more mods to the GT500. But being that I had to work, had to wait, and now today's the day. So if you guys haven't done so already, I'm Lance, I'm from Hawaii. I just make some small automotive content. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys subscribe and smash the like button for today's video. But let's get into it. So the wide body GTR is still collecting dust. Haven't had time to even touch the 350Z. Now, let's just start off by saying I really do not recommend this if you guys have never done an install at all. But if you're looking at today's setup, I do have the car sitting on a few bricks just to give me some clearance so we can get under the car. I know it's kind of jank, but I've done this probably like 100 times already, so it's gonna be super fast install for today. But it's gonna wake up the Mustang so much, it's gonna be freaking amazing. So make sure if you guys are doing stuff like this, e-brake is pulled to the max, and then make sure you have something to block the front tires as well. So I'm just throwing a brick under there. We got the Flowmaster exhaust in, and also since I have it here, if you guys watched the last video, I only got 3 tires in, so somehow we finally got the missing tire. So that's gonna be waiting for maybe the next video. But let's just take a look at the new exhaust. I've been waiting to do this install forever, and this isn't my first time doing it, guys. I used to have Flowmaster Outlaws on my old 5.0, but take a look. Oh my goodness, this thing is super light as well in comparison to the stock exhaust. But just take a look at these bad boys right here. Oh my goodness, this right here is gonna make the exhaust note, and it's just gonna make the Mustang GT500 so loud, and it's gonna be super aggressive. But I love the quality of the Flowmaster Outlaws, guys. Let's go ahead and do some sound clips of the stock exhaust, get some revs, and then we'll do some comparisons. These exhausts, they are super light, so they're easy to move around. There's only 3 hanger attachments, and then when we go underneath the car, let's just slide back just a little bit more, but there's only the hanger attachment point. Whoa, what happened? So when you go underneath the car, you see how big the mufflers are for the stock GT500. Now there's just one attachment point over here, and then right above here there's that hanger attachment, and right in behind there is another hanger attachment. So it's gonna be really cramped under here, but it's super easy. Now before we get into today's install, I went ahead and bought a super cheap set at Walmart, and sure enough, the person that helped me grab this set behind the glass was a subscriber, so it's one of you guys. So I'm dedicating this video to the special individual that helped me out at Walmart to get this cheap set. That way I can keep it in the car just in case if anything goes wrong. And on the side note, for those of you guys that I see in public, it's super cool to like just to like see and meet you guys, and it's super humbling for me as well that you guys actually take the time out of you guys' days to watch whatever shenanigans I have going on. So I really appreciate you guys very much, and yeah, let's get into today's install. And would you just look at that, guys, stock exhaust is already out. Now these things are really heavy, and you can kind of hear the sound compared to the Flowmaster Outlaws. Like, they're super light. Man, it's super gloomy outside today, guys, but we finally got the new Flowmaster Outlaw exhaust in. Actually, let's go around over here, see if we get a better look at it. But I just absolutely love the polished chrome tips. It just adds a little bit more of a contrast to the car. But now this thing is gonna be so much more awakened. Oh boy, let's get a quick cold start. Whew. I'm kind of scared, guys, not gonna lie. I'm pretty scared, but Let's go. Let's do this. Oh, it sounds so much better, guys. I already know the exhaust note is gonna be so much different. Let's just give it a couple minutes first, and then we'll give it some revs. No, that initial pop right off the first rev. Oh, now do we want to do a mid pipe? Oh my god, guys, not gonna lie, that, wow. The gurgle is like, even though okay, it's sitting like at idle right now, but like that gurgle, it's so much better. Oh my god, I can't wait till we get this out on the road. Oh my goodness. Well, that explains the gloominess of today. It's now raining, and you know what that means. When it rains, guys, today's a good day. But today's video is not over yet. We're gonna go ahead, drive the car around, get some nice sound clips. Obviously it's raining, so we're not gonna be super sketch and pound it, but we also have one more package to pick up, and I'll show you guys in a bit. Now the roads are slightly wet, but let's get a nice second gear peel out. Oh, that was only up to 3.5 RPM. Oh, damn, it's actually not that loud, like comparison to the GTR, guys. Like, even though we just have the Flowmaster Outlaws, like, it's very tolerable. Like right now, I'm sitting at idle. This is idle. It's not even that bad. It's relatively the same as if we had the stock axle backs on, and I like when we open it up, that's when it starts to roar. Now imagine if we had like an off-road X pipe or off-road H pipe. Oh my god, guys, I really think that'll make this car like super raspy, and the backfires are gonna be super crazy, but I don't know if we want to go that route. It's already like borderline too loud for my neighbors, and I really don't want to piss them off, but oh my god, just the sound of the Outlaws, guys, it sounds so good. Here we go, second gear, 4,000 RPM. Oh my goodness. Let's change. Oh, that sounds so freaking good, guys. All right, let's get some downshift action. We're in 5th gear, sitting at only about 1.5. Let's just get around this bend real quick. Let's drop it into 4th. Oh my god. Okay, now this bend is getting, well, actually, let's bypass this car. Drop it into 3rd. Oh my. Oh, she sounds so good, guys. Oh my god. As I mentioned earlier, when it rains, today is gonna be a good day. So let's just get some sound clips from inside. We're in 1st gear, 2nd gear. Like, it's honestly not that bad. Like, it's very tolerable. Now if I did have mid pipe or headers, then we'll probably hear the exhaust note a lot louder, but majority of it, you just hear everything on the back end. It's really pouring rain now. Sitting in 4th gear, let's go up to 5th. It's so tolerable. Like, I really like it, but it sounds so good too. Like, it can be loud when you want it to, but when you're just cruising, you just purrs. Now that I think of it, we have a loud modified Mustang GT500 on open road, well, somewhat open road where it's raining. We also have balding tires, and we also have a driver that just wants to rip the hell out of this car. And you know what that equals? I'll let you decide. All right, let's do a nice fourth gear pull. I feel like there's like a little bit more power given with the car now that you open it up. Oh my god, again. Oh brother, this car is so fun. Now, as mentioned earlier, I told you guys we had one more package to pick up, and it's more definitive merch. So if you guys already know, we do have some merch for the channel. It's a side street brand that I started to go along with the channel, but just a little sneak peek for you guys. Now, this was bound to happen one day or another, but we finally got definitive Hawaii shirts. Even got the custom tagging over there. We got it in multiple colors, but here's my favorite, the white with the green and orange, and then on the back got the definitive on the back as well, but we got it in black. We also got it in like a green, so shout out to my alumni from my college, but we got green, and we also got it in red. Now, I'm not gonna pull it out yet, but just to give you guys a sneak peek of what's to come. Again, shop on definitive.com. It'll really help a lot. It'll really help with the channel as well. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm just gonna sit in my car for the next 5 minutes till I start work. Let me know what you guys think about the new Magnaflow Outlaw exhaust on the GT500. Let me know, should we make it louder or is it just enough loud? I personally think it's just enough, but I don't know. Maybe a mid pipe will come soon. But other than that, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I really wanted, like, I've been waiting for 5 days to put on the exhaust. Now it's finally on. Now it just opens up the car that much louder and it sounds that much better. So next on the agenda is to get the new tires in for this winter season, but I don't know how long that's gonna be. Hopefully we can get it done this week. And again, after today's video, also go and check out definitive.com. It's just a little merch line that I started. The motto is stay driven, and it's for highly motivated and driven people, and I'm sure you guys are as well. So yeah, check out definitive.com, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and most importantly, stay driven.